Hey guys, it's Stephanie with So Skinny Wraps. I wanted to make a quick video for you and kind of tell you about my why. I had made a video when I first joined and it talked about my why, which obviously was my son and is my son, Uriah. He is the reason I do everything that I do. And the reason that I haven't quit and that I continued in this business and on this journey. My why has kind of changed. It's still definitely for Uriah and myself and to give us, a financial future and be debt free and have the time and the freedom to be with him. But, I also, it's been on my heart that I want to be able to help my parents. They've helped me their whole life. And, my mom, she raised me as a single mom until she met her husband, and she just really always took care of me. And I want to be able to take care of her. And, she lives in Texas. I want to be able to send her here to see my son. And, I want to be able to do the things that she did for me. I also, want to be able to give back for charity. And there's just so many things on my heart that, just keep pushing me for what I'm doing. It's so easy to just quit and give up, but when you really dig deep and you think about your why, you are almost a hypocrite if you do quit, because your why needs to push you. Your why needs to be so big that you have to say, why not? Why am I not doing this? Why am I not working so hard? Don't I want to give my family a legacy and a financial future and, the freedom of time and to be able to do whatever we want without having to worry or stress? They say that $500 a month can change people's life. It can change you from going into foreclosure. It can change your marriage. It can save your marriage. And you think about it, really, how many times are you short a certain amount of money and $500 would change that? That is so easy to earn with this company in a month. And, I want to be able to help people and teach them and guide them and give them the ability to believe in themselves and, have that financial future. So I just wanted to kind of let you know that if you are in this business and you don't have a why that doesn't drag you to be better and pull you to be stronger, then you need to come up with one or you'll never be successful. Once you find out your why, just always put that in the front of your head and remember that you're doing this for that reason. So I hope you have a great day, guys. Bye.